Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunrise Adventures. I believe everyone is doing great. I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers for supporting me. And second things, I would like to apologize for not uploading videos for a long time because I had so many things to do at home, so I was busy doing this. I believe you wouldn't mind me. Next time I'll try my best to upload videos once in a week or twice in a week. Actually, I found this mushroom. This is edible and it looks beautiful also. And this is a season of mushrooms, so if you want to try or if you want to taste it, you can go out and search for it and you will find it. One thing is don't eat mushrooms whatever you found in the forest, because some mushrooms are very poisonous and not edible. So don't eat anything like don't eat any mushrooms you find in forest. Alright, enjoy this video. This is a short clip, short videos.